So this is an overview of all the tkinter widgets that are available in your default Python installation. You've already seen in this video 11 similar widgets. In this one, we are going to see 5 new ones. Before starting, I'll just a reminder about the TTK widgets is that in order to change the appearance of the widgets, you have to create and configure a style. The second element is that you have the ability to apply a theme that is already available in the default Python installation. I've already applied some changes on the code. I first selected this theme, the Win Native theme, and I also configured a common background color. So I applied the background color to the root. It will be applied for most of the widgets. If you use the theme or apply the theme after configuring the widgets, the settings or the styling will disappear. So you have to first select the theme and then apply the styling. I created a TK frame to hold the common widgets that are common to TK widgets, and I also created another frame that will have the new widgets. I also add a TK button just to close the window. So these are the TK widgets that I added to this code. So the common TTK widgets are button, check button, entry, frame, label, label frame, menu button. To add the submenu, I had to use a TK menu widget, a paint window, a do button, scale, and a scroll bar. And here is the corresponding code. We have our button, TTK button, check button, entry, frame, label, label frame, menu button. Here is the added or created menu widget, paint window, a do button, the scale, and the scroll bar. To see or to differentiate between the paint window and the frame, I added these two labels. So we can run our code, and here is the label on the frame and the label on the paint window. And here are the new widgets. So we have a combo box, notebook with 2 tabs, a progress bar, separator, a size grip, and a tree view with 1 column. This is the corresponding code, the TTK combo box, the notebook, progress bar, the separator, size grip, the tree view. So I had to add some configuration. For example, for the tree view, I defined this column 1, and I added a heading, column 1. This is why we see column 1 written on the heading of the tree view. For the size grip, no configuration. Separator, I selected the vertical orientation and I added this option, so the separator will be visible. The progress bar, so this style is not useful. The progress bar, I had to define a value and a length to make it visible or to distinguish it from the other widgets. I have this notebook. I also added for it these 2 tabs with these 2 values, and the combo box to define the values. I just defined the values option with this list of values. And here is the appearance of the widgets if I don't apply a style. So here I'm going to comment out this line and see. So these are the widgets with the default style. If I remove the background color, the background color is gone, and here are the defined or created widgets. If you have any question about one of these widgets, let me know in the comment section, and the code of this video is available in the link below. Bye.